Kyrios και κύριοι, kalispera. Today we have a very simple and easy spaghetti dish which you'll love. Let's begin by boiling 2 liters of water. Add a couple of pinches of salt and some olive oil. We want to cook our spaghetti al dente, and on our package instructions it says 10 to 11 minutes for al dente, and that's how long we're going to cook them for. Now let's add the spaghetti and pat it down until all the spaghetti is underwater and let it cook. Our spaghetti's been cooking for around 10 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. I think it looks sort of al dente. I think it's fine. But before we drain it, let's make sure we get a bit of pasta water, which we'll need later on. Now we're going to need a pan, medium heat, and add olive oil. And now add the bacon. The bacon was a whole piece, which I cut it into cubes. We want to cook the bacon until it starts becoming golden brown. And then add the chopped red onion. And give everything a really good stir. Now add the chopped garlic. And some chili flakes. Stir everything together. A pinch of pepper and a couple of pinches of salt. And now cook everything until the bacon becomes golden brown and the red onions become caramelized. Now that the bacon is golden brown and the red onions are caramelized, let's add a bit of pasta water to make a nice little sauce out of everything. After adding the pasta water, mix and cook everything for about a minute. If you see that it needs maybe a bit more pasta water, just add some. Now it's time to add the pasta. Now, as soon as you add the pasta, start mixing everything together. As soon as you mixed everything together, it's time to serve. And like always, καλή σας όρεξη.